As a Certificate 4 in Bookkeeping or Accounting trainee, you're required to submit some additional evidence of activity in each task for the units you complete. To do this, you need to log on to your online platform, and you can see here I have the username and password. I click Login. We then go to the Bookkeeping and Accounting course, and in this case I'll go to the Certificate 4 in Bookkeeping. Clicking on the first or one unit, for example, let's click on FNS ACC 303A, Perform Financial Calculations. You'll notice that there is a heading in here called Trainee Activity 1, and underneath you can see what looks like a little flowchart or organisation diagram. That is actually what is known as a quiz, and it's called Trainee Workbook Activities Section 1. So let's click on this quiz. Now, this quiz you get unlimited attempts, and you're not graded as such formally, although it does mark your results. And to be able to go on to the second activity, you need to get a mark of 7 out of 9. If you don't do that, you can reattempt it. Contact us at Applied Education for assistance in the questions that you got wrong. So I've logged in, and now I'll click Attempt Quiz. Once we click Attempt Quiz, you can see here that these are fairly simple financial calculations. So the first question one is calculate the figure below using a calculator, 5,000 divided by 25. You would simply type your answer in here and move on to the next question. This quiz has 9 questions, and I'll just scroll down. You can see there's some multiple choice there as well. Once you finish, we click Next, and then Submit All and Finish. Now I haven't answered any, but I'll click Submit All anyway for this test student. It then gives me feedback on which answers I got wrong, and in some of these cases the correct answer if appropriate. Click Finish Review once you're done. Now if you wanted to check your grades, if there were any grading for that assessment, you could also go up to Administration, Course Administration, Grades, and here we can see all the assessments, all the trainee activities and the relevant grade. Let's have a look at another type of assessment. We'll click on this breadcrumb at the top, FNS 40211. That'll take us back to the main menu, and we'll go to another unit, in this case one of the MIOB units, Establish and Maintain an Accrual Accounting System. Again, we have some trainee activities, and we have the trainee activity workbook page 30. I'll click on that, and you can see here that I haven't attempted this. So it asks us to upload a MIOB file after completing page 30, which is called Brock's Tire World. So you would go and follow the workbook, complete that task, and then you need to go Add Submission. You could type in some comments for the assessor. You know, here is my assessment to page 30. Now remember, this is not a formal assessment, it's not marked. It's just used to review for someone to check on your progress. Finally, here it's asking me to upload the file, so I'll click Add, and then I would need to browse to find where that file is and upload it. I'll just hit Escape there because I won't upload this file. Once you have added the submission and agreed that it is your own work, it will email the assessor at Applied Education account to let them know you've completed the task. This will then be graded, and you'll receive an email from online.appliededucation giving you feedback. Remember, you can go through Administration, Course Administration, Grades to see if it has been marked as complete or not.